Anything that makes you weak physically, intellectually, and spiritually, reject as poison. Do not wait for anybody or anything. Do whatever you can. Build your hope unknown. Three golden rules. Who is helping you? Don't forget them. Who is loving you? Don't hate them. Who is trusting you? Don't cheat them. You cannot believe in God until you believe in yourself. Meditation can turn fools into sages, but unfortunately, fools never meditate. Arise, awake, and stop, not until the goal is achieved. Take risks in your life. If you win, you can lead. If you lose, you can guide. Conquer yourself, and the whole universe is yours. The power of concentration is the only key to the treasure house of knowledge. Talk to yourself once a day, otherwise you may miss meeting an excellent person in this world. Learn everything that is good from others, but bring it in and in your own way observe it. Do not become others. Doing good to others is the one great universal religion. Where can we go to find God if we cannot see Him in our own hearts and every living being? You have to grow from the inside out. None can teach you. None can make you spiritual. There is no other teacher but your own soul. Have faith in yourself. All power is in you. Even the poison of a snake is powerless if you can firmly deny it. We reap what we sow. We are the makers of our own fate. None else has the blame. None has the praise. The greatest sin is to think that you are weak. Relationships are more important than life, but those relationships need to have life in them. Each work has to pass through these stages: ridicule, opposition, and then acceptance. Those who think ahead of their time are sure to be misunderstood.